Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Vani Streamer Cell. We go to the instruction file. So assignment title is Excel Vani Streamer Cell. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics and other courses. We can move to the question number 1. So question number one is open the file student Excel one is streamer set access downloaded with this project. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel file. We can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is change the workbook theme to the Wisp. If the Wisp theme is not available on your computer, in the theme gallery, click the browser themes and then select the theme from your downloaded student data file. Change the theme to the Wisps. Go to the Excel worksheet. Go to the page layout tab and theme groups. Click the Wisp. Wisp. So question number 2 is complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is in a cell B3 choose the fill the month February and March in the range C3 to D3. Copy the range and paste the range, press enter. January to February, January, February, and March. So, question number 3 is complete. We can move to the question number 4. So, question number 4 is merge and center the title across the range A1 to F1 and then apply the title cell style. Merge and center the subtitle across A2 to F2. Copy the range A1 to F1 and paste the range center. Apply the merge and center and apply the title cell style. Go to the home tab. Go to the element group, click the merge and center and apply the title cell style. Go to the style group, click the title cell style. Merge and center the title A1 to F1 and merge and center the subtitle A2 to F2. Select the range A2 to F2 and go to the home tab. Go to the alignment group, click the merge and center and merge and center A2 to F2 and apply the heading 1 cell style. Go to the home tab, go to the style group, click the heading 1 cell style and center the title column in the range B3 to F3. Copy the range B3 to F3, paste the range, press enter button. Is the center the column title. Go to the home tab, go to the alignment group, click the center. So question number 4 is complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is within column A 180 pixel and then within column B to F is 150 pixel. If any column are narrow to display all data, apply the outfit column. In the range B7 to D7, enter the monthly sales figure titling cattle for January, February, March, and January is the value, February value, and March value. Within column A is the 180 pixel. Select the column A with the 180 pixel. Select the column A is the 180 pixel, and then within column B to F is the 150 pixel. Select the column B to F, the 150 pixel, 150 pixel. If any column are narrow to display all the data, autofit column in the range D7 to C7 is the title category for the January, February and March. Apply the autofit column, select the B to F, apply the autofit column, and January is the copy the value, and January is the paste the title cattle, copy the value is the January, and paste the value, and copy the value February, and paste the value. Last is the March value. Copy the March value, press enter. So question number 5 is a complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is in the cell B8 on the home tab, choose the auto sum button to the January sales. Copy the resulting formula across the cell C8 to D8. The sum February monthly sales to the March is the monthly sales. Select the cell is B8 and use the auto sum button to sum the January sale. Copy the resulting formula across the total C8 to D8. I'll use the auto sum button. Go to the home tab, go to the editing group, click the auto sum button, press enter, and copy the formula across the C8 to D8. Sum the formula February monthly sales to the March monthly sales. Copy the formula monthly to March, and in the cell E4 is the choose the auto sum button, sum chief master streamer sales. Copy the formula to the E5 to E8. Go to the home tab, go to the editing group, click the auto sum button, press enter, and copy the formula E5 to E8. So question number 6 is the complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is apply the heading for cell style to the row title and column title, and then apply the total cell style to the range B8 to E8. Apply the heading for cell style is the row title and the column title. Apply the heading for cell style is the row title, apply the heading for cell style. Go to the home tab, go to the style group, click the heading for cell style, and then the column title. Apply the heading for cell style. The heading for cell style, and then apply the total cell style to the total in the range B8 to E8. Copy the value and paste the value, press enter. So select the value is B8 to E8. Apply the total cell style. Apply the total cell style. So question number 7 is the complete. We can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is apply the accounting number format, first row of a cell figure and the total row. Apply the comma style to the remaining cell figure. Apply the accounting number format, first row cell figures and total row cell figure. First row and total row figures. Apply the accounting number formats and apply the comma style is the remaining cell figure. Apply the comma style. So question number 8 is the complete. We can move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is to compare the monthly sale of each product, visually select the range to the represent sale figure of the 3 months, including the month name and then product name. Do not include the total in the range. With this data in the selected, choose the recommended cluster column charts, month name, and display the category axis. Month name and monthly sales for each product range is the sales figure 3 month, including the month name and name. Do not include the total. Do not include the total. And with this data selected is present the sales figure 3 month, including the month name and product name. Month name and product name. Month name and product name. Do not include the any total range. With the data selected, choose the recommended chart. Create the cluster column charts. Go to the insert tab. Go to the recommended charts. Create the cluster column charts. Click OK. Cluster column charts. Month name. Display the category axis and name the display in the area axis. So question number 9 is a complete. We can move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is move the chart so that the upper left corner in the position to the center of the cell A10. Move and drag the chart is and paste the chart is A10 and then drag the right sizing handle and until the edge of charts meets of column E and handle is the chart column E and then display the legend to the sparkling center in the below the data. So question number 10 is complete. We can move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is apply the chart style 5. Change the color by applying the third row of color under the colorful. Change the chart title is the first quarter on streamer sale. Apply the chart style 5. Go to the chart style group and apply the chart style 5 and change the color by the applying third row colorful. The third row colorful plates and change the chart title in the first quarter over the streamer cell. Copy the chart title and paste the chart title. So question number 11 is complete. We can move to the question number 12. So question number 12 is in the range F4 to F7, insert the line sparkline that compare the monthly data. Do not include the total, show the sparkline marker and display the sparkline style. Then in the second row, by the first style. Copy the range F4 to F7 and paste the range, press enter button. Insert the line sparkline. Compare the monthly data, do not include the total. Go to the insert tab, go to the sparkline group, click the line and sparkline and select the data, do not include the total. And do not include the total, show the sparkline is the marker. Do not include total and show the marker, display the sparkline style and then second row, first style. Click the style group and second row, first style. Second row is the first style. So question number 12 is the complete. We can move to the question number 13. Question number 13 is center the worksheet horizontally on the page and then insert the footer. File name is the lab section. Center the worksheet horizontally. Go to the page layout tab and go to the page setup group. Click the margin and click the center horizontally on the page and then insert the footer. File name lab section. Select the header and footer. Create the custom footer. Custom footer lab section is the file name. Click OK and again OK. So question number 13 is complete. We can move to the question number 14. So question number 14 is change the orientation to the landscape. Display the document property as the tag types streamer cell, as the subject types your course section number. Be sure your name as the author checks your worksheet is the previewing the print preview and then make the necessary correction. Change the orientation is the landscape. Go to the page setup group, click the orientation is the landscape and display the document property as the tag is the streamer cells. Go to the file tab, click the info and tag is the streamer cell, press enter. Question number 14 is complete.